we are looking at how to wish a happy St. Patrick's Day in Irish. How do they wish each other a happy St. Patrick's Day in Ireland? We'll be looking at how to say more useful Irish names and vocabulary as well that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say happy St. Patrick's Day in Irish? This is how you would spell it. If that doesn't help, this is how you say it. Beannachtaí na Féile Pádraig. Beannachtaí na Féile Pádraig is how you'd pronounce it. Beannachtaí na Féile Pádraig. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more Irish names and Irish expressions that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.